what a black guy pussy fat. Little girl, don't give her that.
Alright, so this is the fit. Hey. This is 11, this is 7. Alright, what's up guys? Now you could see we are finally in the car. So first, I think what we need to do. I think I need a little coffee. I realized since I've stopped drinking coffee for like a couple of days, like I've been having like a headache. Yeah, I've been having like a headache for whatever reason. I think that's just a side effect of when you stop drinking coffee. So yeah, I think we're just gonna head to Starbucks, you know. Ooh, another sheet. I need them to come and clean my car, because girl, when I tell you this car is dirty, yeah, look like I've been through the mud, the trenches, all of that. But yeah, so I need some coffee. Yeah, and then we'll head to the beauty supply stores. See, now they done made like 3 big beauty supply stores, so we're gonna see which one has like the best nails. Which, if you want to save some money, press-ons is the way to go. I actually tried today to put myself a little bit together. Yeah, but it's like not too much. I just did eyeliner. Filled in my eyebrows just a little bit, because I be having like these little bald spots that I just be taking off. Because I do my own eyebrows. I don't trust nobody. I don't trust nobody to do mine. Because every single time, let me tell you, because every single time I go and get them done, it looks like they're not barely cleaned up. Because that's all I want, is like a good cleanup. I don't need you to shape them. They're already how they are. And then I just be leaving there upset. I be leaving there up the fuck set, because it don't be looking clean and it don't be looking done. So what did I pay you for? And then I did do the what is it with the, I don't even know, the string. I did that. That felt like fire to my face. I didn't like it. So I just took matters in my own hands, and I need some earrings. I took matters into my own hands and just started doing it myself. All right, we got it. Yeah. Ooh, 777. Okay. We're gonna try this, because what I did, I want to try new things. So I went on Pinterest to see what drinks seem good. They couldn't have filled it up to the fucking top for it to be $6 damn. Woo, I'm finna be buzzing around. I'm finna be okay, thanks. Finna be shaking, not stirred. Let me know what kind of drinks you guys be having, because I'd be really liking trying like different things at Starbucks. Cause sometimes I really don't know what I be wanting. Like, I'm not like a Starbucksian where I just know my damn order like that. I'm really not. But I do love me some coffee, so let me know. See you at the next location.
Purchase your tracks today.
gonna keep it a stack. That one didn't really have as much as what I was looking for. Bella's was better, but they're still like in the process of still putting stuff up on the shelves and whatnot. So what's today? The 27th? Yeah, and it's Tuesday. I am not at work. Reason being because I got suspended, but we'll talk about that later, I guess. So anyway, I decided that, and I have literally no makeup on, no nothing, so don't judge me. So yeah, I've been getting into like these books. So basically what I'm doing is going to Barnes and Nobles. But yeah, so I've been into like the spicy books, you know, because they just be, they be hitting what they need to be hitting. Like, I be wanting to come home and read my little book and get my little wine and, get into like these characters and whatnot. So what I'm on the hunt for, because, I was on TikTok, and the TikTok I've been really loving, well, the side of TikTok actually, is the book talk. Now, I didn't know the girls was giving out the recommendations.
What a black guy, pussy fat. Little girl, don't give a that. Your pum pum clean.
Yeah, there's this one that I'm looking for, because I went through like the comments and whatnot, and they said that Punk 57 was pretty good, and so that's what I want to go get. I want to see if they even have it, but I want to see if they have any other ones, which I'm sure they Barnes and Nobles like duh. But anyway, yeah, let's go. So I was in there. There are so many books, like, okay, with this light, but I do got this book. I'll show you guys later, and maybe I'll tell you a little bit about it. If you know, you know. If you don't, welcome. So now we are about to go get my dogs, 7 and 11. Where am I going? Hold on. Looking confused. You gotta let this air out this goddamn car. So we're gonna go to the mall. Oh damn, this thing's been sitting in the sun. I don't even know if I should be putting this on my lips, but because it's been sitting in the sun. But yeah, fuck it, we're gonna do it. I just need a little sign. We're gonna go to the mall. Your girl is gonna see what's up in there, and then hopefully we can get something to eat and go from there. I think we're supposed to be going to the Beltline. So if you're from Atlanta, you already know what the Beltline look like. But we're gonna see what the vibes is, you know, come along for the vibes. All right. So let's have a good day. Okay, period. The sneakies for today. Hold on, shoe cam. Ooh. So when since I got braids, I just remember this. You know, I'm thinking I want to do like, can I put my nail back on? Like, what is going on? So I'm thinking I want to do just a ponytail, like a side situation. Not a side ponytail, but you know, we all know we're not playing games with Georgia. Like, you never know what you're gonna get. And that's what we're doing. Make sure this is flatty flat. Ow, this thing is hard as shit. But yeah, can I put my nail back on? So yeah, I feel like this is just gonna be the look. With my earrings. What my earrings are. But I'm gonna just throw on a pair of like little earrings and go to work. Put my scrubs on, they're all black. Nothing to it. Yeah, so I can't put my little earrings that I always wear. But so that's the look for today. Just very casual, very simple, work appropriate for an office, for a dermatology office. Hair tied back, very light makeup, little liner. Okay, get your words together, Sin. So that is the look, and I will see y'all. Alright.
Straight up, Louis V shirt with no sleeves. I got slaughter gang nigga, I'm reppin'. 21. Chopper get the preaching, I'm the reverend. 21.
It is brunch. It's Saturday. Was it like the 5th or no? 6th, I think it is. August 6th, whatever. So today, basically, I'm already dressed. So we have to skip that part. But y'all gonna be going out with me and the girlies. So if you like this channel, definitely subscribe, definitely comment. If you live in Atlanta, drop some places that I should like try out and whatnot. So we're gonna have a good time. I haven't even put my hair down. I just finished doing like my edges. Right now, I don't know what's going on with the eye situation. It's just, I didn't put that much effort into it. But we're gonna have a good time. I went on a date last night. And so this is kind of like recovering and getting lit again from the night previous. So yeah, we're gonna end up leaving in like a second. You better lay down. Lay down. And the thing is about Georgia is that it's so hot, so like you can't do anything. Like edges can't be laid for too long. Like I'm trying different combinations now because the one that worked for me is not working because the humidity is crazy right now. But I digress. So we're gonna have a good time. We're gonna get some good food, good vibes, good music, and we're gonna do the damn thing. So continue watching, and yeah, let's vibe out. I can't do no.
Because everybody knows me, but I know everybody in my real place.
Lit as fuck. Lit as fuck.
It's me.
Huh?
I said they're walking fast as fuck. Wait, it's a how far walk? 10 minutes?
5 minutes. You got sandals on, bitch.
That ain't it. I'm hot, bitch. I'm hot. We in the shade right now.
Yeah.
Yeah, right now, but look at all that way. Ain't no
Look.
shit.
We almost there now.